This is Omen with Georgia Elite Roofing. Today we're at 613 Woodwalk Court, Lilburn, Georgia. And we're gonna be doing a repair attempt on this damaged shingle. We could clearly see the creasing going on the top. Here's another one, but we'll go with this one. And in hand I have the snake, a crowbar, and a hammer.
Hey, bro, be careful. Matter of fact.
Oh, this, the green one.
Sheesh. Ooh, man. I got the birds up here.
Old shingle out, and with the new.
Oh, shit.
So here we got we have a 3-tab shingle with the same size as the shingle we just removed, and we're gonna place this right in this place. Right there. Get one more.
All of them. Ooh, boy. Birds found a little close. There we go. All right, brother, come.
So this is the repair after we removed the old shingle, put in the new shingle and nailed it. Here we see some clear creasing happening. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them damaged. So this roof is not repairable.